How to hard reset any iPhone? Open mobile settings. If you have like any iPhone, just open the mobile settings, find the general options, click on the general options, and now you have scroll up and now you can see in the last corner you can find here transfer an iPhone. You can see transfer and reset phone. Click on this here option. Now you can see in the downside erase all options. You have to just click on the here. Now you can find here erase this iPhone. You have to just click on the continue options, click on the continue button, click it, and now you can find here erase iPhone options. You can see there will be all delete your iPhone, and you have to just click on the erase iPhone. Now you have to just give your iPhone lock. If you have like any screen lock, then you have to just give your screen lock. When you will give your screen lock, it will be suddenly turn off. Now you can see here will be have iPhone logo on stuck on screen. You have to just don't panic. It will be restarting hard reset your fully iPhone. And this is step you can any iPhone hard reset setup. Step by step I will tell you in this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comment box which are iPhone are using you. Okay, now you can see after a few minutes your iPhone will be automatically turn on. You have to just now set up your iPhone and now your iPhone will be fully hard reset. I hope this video will you understand. Thanks to the video. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.